Welcome to B&C Car Reviews channel. Lamborghini recalls new Countach because glass engine cover could go flying. The reincarnated Lamborghini Countach was recalled last week for an issue relating to the vehicle's glass engine cover, a National Highway Traffic Safety Administration filing said. Lamborghini received a field notice from an owner in Qatar on October 10, which noted that one of the Countach's 4 glass engine cover panels had separated from the supercar while it was on the move, a NHTSA filing said. Those glass panels sit above an electronically assisted 6.5-liter V12 engine, which provides a total powertrain output of 803 horsepower and 557 pound-feet of torque. This incident prompted Lamborghini to open an investigation, which ultimately determined that an issue with the parts supplier was to blame. More specifically, Lamborghini concluded that the fault stems from an issue with the supplier's bonding of the glass panels, which could result in the panels detaching and leaving the car. The 2022 Lamborghini Countach is capable of reaching 62 miles per hour from a standstill in just 2.8 seconds, before stretching its legs all the way up to 221 miles per hour. Not exactly the sort of speeds you want involved when ill-affixed bodywork is at play. Lamborghini was unable to determine whether or not other Countach examples would suffer from the same production fault during its initial investigation. On November 10, Lamborghini's Product Safety Committee voted to launch a proactive recall for the Countach in every global market. That recall impacts 9 owners here in the United States, with dealers expected to receive the recall details on January 9, 2023. Customers will receive a notice from Lamborghini later that week. Customer cars will be inspected after that, with replacement glass panels being made available if they are required. Every Countach built during October 2022 will already have the issue addressed in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Owning an exclusive supercar can come with some unique challenges. Thankfully for the Lamborghini faithful, this particular fix should be a straightforward job. If you happen to own one of these, it's probably a good idea to leave it in the garage for the time being. Not that you are going to pour on the miles, anyway.